2, 3 is the solution for this pair of linear equation. Is it consistent or dependent or inconsistent? (3x/2)
minus 5y.
3 is equal to minus 2, and the second one x/3 plus y/2 is equal to 13/6. Okay, so using substitution method we can solve this. So here from one of the equation we want to find the value of x or y in terms of the other. So I think we can start from this one. So for this we can give number 1. Now from this we can find the value of x or y. Okay, so here the best idea is we can cancel the fractions in the first step. In the first step itself we can cancel the fractions. How you can cancel the fractions? Okay, you multiply each term by 6, because 6 is a common factor of a common multiple of 3 and 2 and 6. Okay, it's a lowest common multiple, LCM, right? So 3 and 2 and 6. So you multiply with the 6 each terms. So you'll get a 6 into x/3 plus 6 into y/2 is equal to 6 into 13/6. So here you can cancel 6, and here how many 2's in 3? 6, 3, right? And how many 3's in 6? 2. So to reduce to 2x plus 3y is equal to 13. I think with before numbering, I think we can change this equation without fraction. So how we can reduce this? So by what number we should multiply here? Common multiple of 2 and 3, LCM. What's LCM of 2 and 3?
6.
6. So 6 into 3x/2 minus 5y/3 into 6. Okay, 6 into 3. Then is equal to 6 into minus 2. So here 2 in 6 3 times, and 3 in 6 2 times. Then 6 into minus 2 we will write in next step. So 3 times 3x. 3 times 3x, how many x?
9x.
9x minus 2 times 5y, 10y.
10y.
10y is equal to 6 into minus 2.
Minus 12.
Minus 12. Okay, so we now what we did now, we just removed the fractions. Without removing the fraction also you can do, but that's become some difficult. So we do like this. So from one of the equation we can find the value of x. I think we can do from this second one. Okay, so here to move 3y to right side. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. Then x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2, right? Okay, so this value will substitute in equation number 1. Okay, so I'm not writing substituting like this. Okay, so you substitute this x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 2 in this equation number 1. So we'll get 9 times x, the value x we substitute here. So 13 minus 3y by 2 minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Okay, so here what we want to do, we want to remove the bracket first. So 9 into 13 and 9 into minus 3y we have to do, and by 2 is there. So 9 13, 9 13, how many 13? 9 13, how much?
117.
117. Okay, 117. Okay, correct. Okay, 117 minus by 2 will be there. Then minus 9 times minus 3y.
27y.
27y by 2 will be there. Minus 10y is equal to minus 12. Yes. Okay, so here the white terms. From white terms we want to take y outside the bracket. Also the 117 we can move to right side. Okay, so in next step minus y into inside bracket, what will be if we take y outside the bracket?
27.
27 by 2 minus
10.
10. Okay. 10 is equal to minus 12 already here, and minus
Sir,
1.
how will their minus come?
Which minus?
Side for the y minus is there, right? How
Yes,
it is
yes,
coming?
right. Okay. So it should be plus. Okay. Sorry. It should be plus because we take minus 5 outside bracket. Okay. So in next step, we move minus 117 by 2 to right side, so it will become minus 117 by 2. Okay. And in next step, we can reduce the inside the bracket. Okay. So minus y into 27 by 2 plus 10. I think better 10 by 2 you can choose as 20 by 2. 10 you can write as 20 by 2. Okay. 10 you can write as 20 by 2. Then you add, what will you get?
47 by 2.
Yes, 47 by 2. Then it's equal to minus 12 minus 117 by 2. How can you, this minus 12 you can write as minus 24 by
24
2.
by 2.
So what will be the difference? Not difference, here it will be adding, right? Both are minus. So minus
143. Minus 143.
minus 143. No?
141.
141. Okay. Okay, 17, 27, 37. Okay. Minus 141 by 2. Minus 141 by 2. So both term has minus sign. So you can cancel minus sign. Also this fraction, the 47 by 2 you take to right side. So next step, what will be the next step? Okay, so y is equal to, so in the right side 141 by 2 is already here, and take this 47 by 2. So 47 by 2, when we move to right side, it will become 2 by
Division
47.
2 by 47.
Yes, 2 by 47. So you can cancel 2's. So the balance is y is equal to 141, 1 by 47. So x is equal to,
3, sir.
so is it possible? It is possible to divide, right? How many? 47 into 3.
3, yes.
47 into 3.
3.
Yes. 3, 21, 2. Okay. 12. Yes, 141. Very good. Okay. It's 3, right? Okay. So y is equal to 3. Okay. So we substitute y is equal to 3 in x. Yeah. In case number 2. So it will become 13 minus 3 into 3 by 2. Okay. X is equal to. Okay. So x is equal to 30 minus 9 by 2. So x is equal to
2.
4 by 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so we got the solution as 2 comma 3. So 2, 3 is the solution for this pair of linear equations. Is it consistent or dependent or inconsistent?
Consistent.
Consistent, because there's only one solution. Okay? So the graphs will be intersecting. The intersecting point will be 2, 3. Okay.